General Tso's chicken is an iconic chicken dish named after a war hero. The dish was invented in Taiwan by Pancakes. It was an ode to Hunan, where Peng was born. It was adapted by Chinese chefs in the States. That's where it became a household dish. Here's how to make it. First, prep the aromatics. Then, prepare the sauce. Now, cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. We're going to marinate it. Pour in some soy sauce and wine. Then, add a bit of cornstarch to coat. Finally, a touch of oil. This will lock in the flavor and help the chicken to crisp up. It's time to deep fry the chicken. Fill the wok up with oil and heat it up. Add the chicken pieces and fry until they're golden brown. It'll take about 4 to 5 minutes. Let them rest on a paper towel. It'll absorb the excess oil. Now that the chicken is crispy, it's time to add some flavor. Add a bit of oil and garlic. Then, toss the chicken back in. Drizzle the sauce around the edge of the wok and give it a good mix. Sprinkle sesame seeds and scallions on top. This sweet and savory Chinese-American dish is always good with a bowl of rice. Enjoy!